Hi, I'm Kubur, and we're gonna look into the rosin core issue with soldering. The theory being the rosin core leaving behind a chemical that can't be conductive. I will be conducting the experiment with a rosin core, a PDB, and trying to measure the resistance. There should not be any resistance between the pads on the PDB. I will be measuring it beforehand and after. We will be using, as you can see, I have my multimeter set to continuing row 7 and 8. Set it to ohms. I have here the solder that I usually use. It has a resin core. Now let's take a look at the other side to ensure that we didn't breach anything there with the solder. Well, yep, let's just fix it with our solder Flux. So the way you use this is you put it on and then put your iron on it. Okay, so now we measured again. As you can see, there's no continuity. Let's take a look at the resistance. None at all. The best way to clean this up is use isopropyl alcohol or contact cleaner and just scrub it off. It comes off as a brown goo. And you really want to clean it until the tip doesn't come off as brown. So what is happening here? I think it's because when you put enough current and power through the pads, the flux is enough to contact it. How much power, I'm not sure, but at our current ratings, I'm not surprised, really. Another thing to note is static electricity. These components on the flight controllers can be quite sensitive to static electricity. A spark of static electricity can be up to 500,000 volts, so that's enough to destroy almost all electronics. In the next show I will be talking about how to mount your fat shark so you can use the fan without the balance plug and you don't have to worry about the voltages. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in a week. Thank you.